My name is Ben Fu. I am the managing director here at Barbell in Carson, California, and we recently got solar with harness. Barbell is a fitness distribution company started in 1984. We are the nation's largest distributor of free weights and fitness equipment. We service companies like Walmart, Amazon, a lot of fitness specialty stores across the nation. We have 7 locations strategically located across the United States, including Canada. Our solar rep was Lorenzo from Harness.
My name is Lorenzo Jaimez with Harness Power.
So this is our Carson distribution center. It's about 80,000 square foot. It's one of our busiest distribution centers in the US due to the ports being here, and also we service pretty much the entire western United States. So our current average monthly bill from Edison is about $2,500 a month. We're anticipating all of it to be shaved off with the installation of solar. We paid the entire thing off, so we pretty much own our own power plant. And that really puts us in an advantage in the future with whatever costs could be waving through with Edison. Of course, there will be some connection fees that everybody has to be paying for, but all the consumption costs should be shaved off. As you can see back here, we have one of our propane forklifts. And then we found that, after the 5-6 year mark, the maintenance and energy costs continue to skyrocket. So our future plan is to convert all of our forklifts into electric. And with that in mind, solar would be the best option. We had comped and compared a lot of other solar companies and found that Harness was providing an upfront cost savings, and we felt confident with their installation process and the speed of the timeline to get it done.
You have to have 4 different departments stamp the permit, whether it's electrical, fire department, planning. You have to be going back and forth to ensure that you fix any corrections that they are asking for.
Any questions that we had, it was quickly answered. We had monthly meetings in regards to the process, and we got it done very quickly. I would recommend getting solar because in California, we're always seeing costs go up, whether it's energy or transportation. And so with our electric bill, it's a huge portion of our operating expenses. And I would recommend this to any business that wants to have immediate savings